Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Rehabilitation. Rehabilitation means action of restoring someone to health or normal life through training and therapy after imprisonment, addiction, or illness. For example, she underwent rehabilitation and was walking within 3 weeks. She underwent rehabilitation and was walking within 3 weeks.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exempli. The rehabilitation of the actor is complete. Now, repeat after me. The rehabilitation of the actor is complete. The second exempli. I spent time with them during my rehabilitation. Now, repeat after me. I spent time with them during my rehabilitation. The third exempli. He was an early champion of the artist's critical rehabilitation. Now, repeat after me. He was an early champion of the artist's critical rehabilitation.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
Time is the most commonly used noun in English. Although, this can't be taken as a definitive answer because usages change every day, and the results are based on a single study conducted by Oxford Online.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.